The power of touch is a combination of your five senses. What we hear, taste, smell, feel, and see. When you taste something, it touches the taste buds on the tongue. Tiny nerve cells send messages to the brain about how something tastes. When you hear something, the hair cells in your ears are touched by sound waves and sends an electrical signal to your brain. When you smell something, the odor molecules in the air touch millions of sensory neurons in your nose to identify the smells. In order to physically feel something, our brain has special nerve receptors embedded in our skin, muscles, joints, and organs, so we can feel. And in order to visually see something, light has to touch the photoreceptors in our eyes that sends an electrical signal to our brains and presents the images you see. All we have is this present moment. I can see you, and you can see me. Those are the only possibilities, outcomes between imagination and self-belief. Have you ever wondered how many worlds are out there? How many levels to life are out there? From the spiritual world, quantum world, the religious to the consciousness. I can only hope, pray, and believe that there are many levels to life on this journey to guide me. Each level provides us with a unique perspective on the universe and our place in it. I've been born and reborn time and time again, accepting my faith and accepting my fate on several occasions to guide me. Some good, some bad, but they're all life experiences. And life experiences are something we can physically touch and see. And that's what this message is about today. The power of touch, specifically how it exists in our world physically. Michelangelo said this: the power of touch can be to give life to another, and he was absolutely right. We can't touch the past, and we can't touch the future. All we have is the present, the right now, this moment. The power of touch provides its own language through electrical signals, a language that is essential to what it means to be human, which means our brain's language isn't English. It's touch. People can identify love, gratitude, compassion from just touching another person's hands, only through the power of touch. The power of touch signals safety and trust. A simple warm touch of someone's face, neck, or abdomen can calm stress and release oxytocin, aka the love hormone. So to me, the science or power of touch convinced me to believe that we're all connected, no matter what you believe, based on the power of touch. And to deny that is to deprive ourselves of some of life's greatest joys and deepest comforts known to man. Hug that special person this week. Share gratitude this week. Speak out to the universe and unconsciously believe you and me are meant to be here physically. The power of touch is a combination of your five senses.